POV. Got gang with me. You know what I'm saying?
Unknown driver.
Unknown driver. That's on the Lambo in there.
It's a twin turbo V8.
He got rid of the Lambo, right?
No.
Oh, I'm talking about your other.
No, he still got that shit.
They spinning the whole way up. Bro, this car, it ain't fast, it's quick. You're gonna see more videos from unknown driver over here. He don't show his face. So I don't know how you gonna see his face. Why you don't show your face, bro? He said, what, bro?
You can't get 12 any type of information, bro. No tag, no face.
The police out here be bugging, so there's no tag, no face, no case.
We under.
I'm probably gonna film another one today too in the city. Well, I am gonna film another one. So it might be 2 in 1, or 1 in the next one another day. But yeah, right now we going in the country, so it's not really not really piped up. I would do rolling anti-lag, but these tires don't seem like they holding for shit. So, man, it's really hot out here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Make sure y'all stay hydrated. It's 84. I feel like it's 90 degrees outside. He calls my car the most shitbox E92. A lot of people can't beat this shitbox.
Shitbox.
It is what it is.
Shitbox.
It is. Most E92s don't got that. Put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name.
Look at this key fob. Shitbox.
I'm not even gonna tell you what type of car he got because he unknown, so you just gotta let your homeboys have it.
You just gonna see me in video, that's it.
But yeah, we outside, man. Follow me on Instagram, N54 Ruler. Like, comment, subscribe for more content like this. You know what I'm saying?
Sound like some talk with that. No TV, that comments got it. I'm really nigga. I'm just playing shit. Smoke on the crush down the side. Who's the hot bitch? Same TV. Shot fire, they noise. Put up transform and show big shit like Bumblebee. Club dog, subway dog. Say no cat.
Shut up, fuck.
Hold that shit.
Dude, shut up. Dude, shut up.
Hold it.
Dude, shut up. My traction don't work. My traction don't work.
I keep track. Who the fuck is that dude?
Somebody spun out, nigga. My traction. He said what? Yo, this is what y'all gotta do when y'all don't got no traction. Just get in the middle of the highway, the middle of the road. This is way safer, right? This is way safer, right? Give me that. Give me that.
You're not holding it.
Give me that.
You're not holding
Brother, I can't go no faster, but I don't have traction on. He beeping the horn like I won't gap him. Guys, when there's cars like that behind you, about to show you what you do. You drop a gear and you disappear. Where you going, boy? Where you going, boy? That's slow shit. That's slow shit. Fuck out of here, boy. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out of here, boy. That's slow shit.